Take a long breath in and a long breath out. And let your eyes softly focus on the sunlight reflecting on the water. Remember to find the breath again. Breathe in, breathe out. Follow the breath. Allow the breath to breathe through the whole body. Notice if the thoughts are moving away and come back to the breath. Take another long breath in. Sigh out through the mouth. Open the eyes if they were closed. And slowly come back to wherever you are. And take the time to then gently go about the rest of your day.